Good morning children. Last class we learned Indian and international system. In Indian and international system we learned how to write the expanded form and the place values. Today I am going to teach you S3 compare and order. For example 56 lakhs 73,146 or 76 lakhs 35,490. When you are comparing the two numbers, we have to start from highest place value. So here I will write the place values: 1, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So here 10 lakhs place, here 5 is there children, here 7 is there. So which is the biggest number? So 5, 7. Which is the biggest number? 7. So 7 is greater than 5. So 56 lakhs 73,146 is less than 76 lakhs 35,490. 56 lakhs 73,146 is less than 76 lakhs 35,490. Here example 2. Here 7 digits are there. Here also 7 digits children. So now 7,386,146. Here 7,345,246. Now we have to compare. We will start from highest place value. So first we will write a place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, millions. Here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, millions. First we will start from millions place. Children, here this number is international system. Here ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, millions. But here these numbers are Indian system. Here after 10,000 lakhs, 10 lakhs becomes here Indian system. Here international system. International system. After 10,000 it will be changed. It will change. It will be 100,000, millions. Now we compare the numbers. Here 7 digits is there. Here also 7 digits. We will start from millions. So in millions place here 7 is there. Okay. Here hundreds, thousand. We move next place because here same is millions place. Here also 7. Here also 7. We move hundreds, thousands place. Here also 3. Here also 3. Then same numbers are there. Then 10,000 space. See, then 10,000 space here 8 is there. Here 4 is there. So we write 8, 4. Which is the greatest number children? 8 is greatest number. So here 8 is greater than 4. Which is biggest number? 8 and 4. We write this symbol S. The 8 greater than 4. Now therefore 7,386,146 is greater than 7,345,246. Children see 7,386,146,000 greater than 7,345,246. Once again I am reminding children, but in international system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Up to 10,000 will be same. After 10,000 will be 300,000. Next, millions. Children, this difference is there in the Indian and international system. I will show you how to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending orders. See, first you children check here. In this set of numbers, 4 numbers, all have 9 digits. So first we write the tables. Better we write the tables. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. First number, second number, third number, fourth number. First we know how to find the biggest number. First here all in highest place value 111 is there. In second place all of we have 7777. In third place here 8 is there, here 9 is there. See here 9 and here 5. So first we are writing here ascending number. Ascending number means small to big. So which is the small number? This 175,372,430. So first we write this number. So 175,372,430. Next here after 5, which is a small number here in millions place, 7 is the small number. So this is the second smallest number. So 177,481,340. So next here 7 no children. Next again check in millions place again 8 is the small number. So 178,260,340. Next 8 over no. Next 9. 179 millions 239,430. So this is the ascending order. Ascending order means we wrote to small to big children. Next descending order. Descending order means big to small. This is easy to write children. See, we have to go from right to left. So that is which is the biggest number here? 179 millions 239,430. Okay. Next second number is 178 millions 216,340. Just you go to back from right to left. Next 177 millions 481,340. Next 175 millions 372,430. Okay children, today I finished S3. I explained you compare and order the numbers in ascending and descending order. Children, practice nicely and come